Safety measures for health and wellness. 1. Maintain personal hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially before eating or touching your face. 2. Practice social distancing. Maintain a safe distance of at least 6 feet from others, especially in crowded places, to reduce the risk of transmission of infectious diseases. 3. Wear a mask. Wear a mask covering your nose and mouth when in public settings or when around people who are not from your household, especially if social distancing is not possible. 4. Stay home if sick. If you feel unwell or have symptoms of illness such as fever, cough, or difficulty breathing, stay home and avoid close contact with others to prevent spreading illness. 5. Get vaccinated. Stay up to date with vaccinations recommended by healthcare professionals to protect yourself and others from preventable diseases. 6. Eat healthy and exercise regularly. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and engage in regular physical activity to support overall health and immune function. 7. Prioritize mental health. Practice stress management techniques, prioritize sleep, and seek support from friends, family, or mental health professionals when needed to maintain emotional well-being. 8. Follow health guidelines. Stay informed about local health guidelines and recommendations from trusted sources, such as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, or the World Health Organization, WHO, and adhere to them to stay safe and healthy. For more, like and subscribe Brilliance Foundation International.